I'm going to share my TCS interview experience. So let us start. So the in the introduction part, you simply tell your name, city name, where you live, study background, family background. Don't go deeply for family background. You also include your hobbies, achievement, extracurriculum activity, intern and project name. You always be confident and fluent while give introduction because it is matter. So now move on the second question. Explain your project which you made. So you explain your project in step by step. Like first you explain the aim of your project, then software and technology which you used, problem faced while you completing your project, and how you resolve it. At the final, you explain the result of your project. So like in this way, you explain the project. So in the third question, which programming language do you know? So in this question, you mentioned or you focus only that language in which you are comfortable, you are confident, whatever they ask, because it is drive your interview in that domain. So in the fourth question, what is the stdio.h in C language? So stdio.h is a header file. Here h contains or h means standard output input. Now in the fifth question, how many data type are there in the C language? So there is three data types. First is user defined data type, second primary data type, and third is secondary data type. Now move on this next question. What are the format specifier in C language? So the format specifier is percentage %d, percentage %c, percentage %f, percentage %s. So percentage %d is used for integer, percentage %c for character, percentage %f for float, and percentage %s for string. So this is the format specifier is used in C language. In the next question, what are different types of data structure? So there is the two type of data structure, primitive and non-primitive, and then the non-primitive is also divided in two parts, linear and non-linear. Now move on the next question. How to find the factorial of a number using functions? So there is the two method to find the factorial of a number. So first one is by using function and another is without using function. So here we give the answer by using the function. We find the factorial of that number. If you are not comfortable to elaborate the syntax or algorithm of this program, you simply write down on the notebook and you can explain as well. So now move on the next question. Write a program to find prime number in a given range. So as the last question, you also simply write the algorithm of this programming code and explain it. So you can also prefer Google for the answer. So the answer of this question is depend on person to person. So here I explain, so here I give the answer of this question. Firstly, I try myself and I try to complete the project on my level. If I am not able to complete it, I will communicate with my supervisor, and I also mail to my supervisor for telling about the situation, and then go for to complete this project. So I explain this question like in that way, and then they asked me about the Tata company. uh, what do you know about the Tata company? So always be ready for such question because each and every company ask this question at the end. So you always read all the data about that company before going to interview. And then at the last, are you willing to relocate? And also ask the question about the day night shift. So you simply say yes for such questions. Don't navigate of the answer this question. So at the final stage, they always asked about any queries, any question for me. Then always say yes because it's affect your all over interview. So always ask the question at the last, whatever you come in your mind. So thanks for watching this video. Please like and share and subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you.